all the services, all the nurses, all the resources belong to South Africans. If you know yourself, what it is, you are not South African, please get out of the line, move out of the line. All foreigners should seek medical help from private clinics and private hospitals. Whoever has a problem can go and consult with the police or consult with the Home Affairs there at NAPCO. If you know yourself that you are not South African, please don't even dare, don't try us. Move out of the line.
Which government? Which government? Which government?
My guy, let me tell you something. Keep quiet. You don't have to reason with foreigner. Leave, my guy. Leave. I'm sorry. No.
Let them leave.
Leave. Leave. We don't reason with foreigner. We don't want the reason.
You ran away from your problems. You came
Yeah,
to
you go,
the government. You have your own government. Go vote.
Paper one.